Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where the hotspot name lives. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. Make sure cellular data is enabled so the option appears. Once the Personal Hotspot screen is visible, you'll see the current hotspot name at the top. That's derived from your device name. Next, we'll change the device name so the hotspot updates system-wide. It's a single change with immediate effect for devices seeking your network. Now change the iPhone name so the hotspot broadcasts the new label. From Settings, go to General, then About, and tap Name. Type the new, recognizable name, keep it concise, and avoid special characters that could confuse other devices. Tap Done. The device name updates immediately. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on if you plan to use Instant Hotspot. Once saved, return to Personal Hotspot to confirm the displayed network name changed as expected. Finish by confirming the new hotspot name under Settings Personal Hotspot and on any device trying to join. If the name doesn't update right away, restart your iPhone. That forces system services to refresh. If restarting doesn't help, make sure iOS is up to date and your carrier supports Personal Hotspot. If it still fails, toggle airplane mode briefly. That resets network interfaces and usually resolves lingering name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.